This guide will walk you through the process of adding opening balance entries in AccessPro. Log into the system with the respective login credentials. Go to the Finance module. Select Journal Entry. Choose your ledger account. Enter the amount in the respective column, debit or credit, depending on the scenario. Click on the Add Item button to add the next item. After entering the closing balance of all ledgers, add the next account, which will be the opening balance account. Enter the credit amount against the opening balance account, which will be equivalent to the debit total. Set the opening date in this field. Once that has been completed, click on Process Journal Entry button. Once the journal entry has been passed, the following message will appear.